Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up and subscribe to BravesTV. In this example, I'm going to be subscribing to the seasonal package, and I'm going to set it up on my Roku to show you what that looks like if you're setting it up on a smart TV. But I'm going to walk through the different options that we have. I'll link this page down in the description, the subscription page to Braves.tv. And the biggest difference here is if you're in market for the Atlanta Braves, you can now subscribe online, get the online option here with BravesTV, watch those games through the MLB app, and you don't need to be subscribed to a traditional satellite or cable TV provider. However, if you still are subscribed to traditional satellite or cable TV, I'll post a link to this page down in the description where it's going to go over where BravesVision is available on things like Xfinity, Spectrum. Again, these are going to be for in-market areas for the Atlanta Braves and what channel you'll be able to find those games on. So I'll post a link to that down in the description. But if you're not subscribed to traditional satellite or cable TV, then you can have the option to watch Braves.tv. They won't black out these in-market games, which is a great option to have. So for the seasonal package, it's $99.99 for the whole season. Now, this is going to include most of the Atlanta Braves games, but if they're nationally televised on things like ESPN, for instance, then you would need to have access to the ESPN channel to watch that. But these are going to be for all those local broadcasts. It's estimated to be around 140 or so of those games. So a good chunk of the Atlanta Braves regular season games are going to be available here through Braves.tv, and it's not going to be blacked out if you're in market. So that's a great thing. You can bundle it as well with MLB TV if you want to get access to more than just the Atlanta Braves local market broadcasts of other MLB teams as well. And if you don't want to commit to a whole season, you can also do this monthly, where Braves TV is going to be $19.99 a month. So maybe this is what you want to start out with just to see if this is something that's going to work for you. And I'm going to walk through myself signing up for this, and then I'm going to show you over on my Roku how to set this up to get access to those Braves games. So I'm going to select the option that I want here, and I just want Braves games. I don't have any interest beyond the Atlanta Braves, so I'm not going to bundle it with MLB TV. So I'm going to click where it says buy now. From here, you need to enter in your email address for an MLB account that you might already have. However, if you're new to making an MLB account, you can click here where it says sign up. So I'm going to click the sign up option. Then enter in your information, so your name, your email address, the password that you want for your account, your date of birth. You probably don't want to check these boxes to get commercial emails from the MLB and their partners. And then after entering in that information, you can click register. Once we have our MLB account, and you should get an email from MLB with that account, you can verify your email. But once we have this account, then we can go ahead and continue on with the subscription. So I have Braves TV seasonal package, $99.99. And your subscription will renew automatically next season if you don't unsubscribe to that automatic renewal option. So that's what this is letting us know. But then we can go ahead and click next steps. And from here, you can pay for your subscription with either a credit card or you can go through PayPal. And also, if you're a verified military customer, you can receive a 35% discount by going through this option over here. But for me, I'm going to go through PayPal, so I'm going to select that option. And I'm going to click on the PayPal button here. I logged into my PayPal account, and that brings us back to this page where I can now click on where it says buy and accept terms. And if the payment goes through, it'll take us to the next page where it says thank you for your purchase, and the subscription to Braves TV is now available. So you can get the MLB app through the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, through the Apple App Store if you're on an iPhone. Basically anywhere where you have access to the MLB app, that's going to be how you can access all of these Braves games. And it says to watch live baseball on your laptop, for instance, you can click watch now below. So if I click on that, it's just going to take us over to MLB.com. When you're logged in to your account at MLB.com, you can access those Braves games through a web browser as well. But now I'm going to take you over to my Roku to show you how to set this up on a smart TV. Now over on my Roku, I need to get an MLB app tile here on my homepage. So if I don't already have the MLB app, what I can do is go to search. And this is going to be a similar process no matter what type of smart TV you have, whether you're going through an Apple TV, an Android TV, Google TV device, things such as that. Basically, you want to search for the MLB app through whichever app store that is available through your smart TV option. So I'm going to enter in MLB, and I'm going to add the app, so that'll download and install it onto my Roku. And the app has now been added to my homepage, so I'm going to click the home button on my remote, taking us back to the home tab of my Roku, and it'll now show up here in my apps area. So if I go down to the bottom, that is where I'll find it. If I'd like to move this tile, I can click the little asterisk on my remote to bring up this menu, and I'm going to move the app closer to the top here so it's easier to access. I'm going to set it right there at the front of the line. Now from here, I want to open up the MLB app. And again, going to be a similar process no matter what type of smart TV you're using. Download and install the MLB app. Find it in your home page area. And then we're going to launch that MLB app. We're going to log into that MLB account that we had just made and subscribe to Braves TV with. So launching the MLB app. And I already have an MLB account, so I'm going to click OK on that. And I can enter in the email and password for my MLB account, and then I'm going to click login. As long as we entered in our information correctly, it'll log us in to our MLB account, bring us to the homepage of the MLB app. And from the homepage here, we can go down to where it says today's lineup, and it should highlight in general Braves games since I'm a Braves TV subscriber. So it's not time for the game yet. So if I click OK on this game, it'll say that you're a bit early, swing back later for the first pitch. So once it gets closer to that start time, I'll be able to select this game and I'll be able to watch the broadcast from there. So this is the process on what you go through if you want to watch Braves games through the Braves TV subscription option. And again, worth noting, you don't need to subscribe to this if you already have BravesVision through your traditional satellite or cable TV provider. I'll post a link to this page down in the description where it'll show what channel you can find BravesVision on with those different providers. And I'll also post a link to the Braves TV subscription option page down in the description as well if you'd like to access it through there. But that'll wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.